This is Mary. Can you hear me well?
Yes, ma'am.
Awesome. I don't know if you remember, I've been texting you about house here in Blackstone Avenue. You
Yes,
mentioned.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I'm
Oh,
sorry.
okay. It's okay. So you wanna sell that house, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Is there a price on mine for this property?
Monday? I'm sorry?
Oh, habla español. Perfecto, mejor.
Poquito, poquito.
Oh, poquito. Oh, it's fine. So,
No, it's okay.
I was asking you if you had any price in mind for this house.
Maybe 90.
Okay, 90.
Yeah, I think I owe like, what, 70 on it.
I'm sorry, what you said?
No, never mind. Nothing. I'm sorry.
You mentioned that 890 or 70. Sorry, I didn't hear you well.
90.
90. Okay.
hmm
And what's the plan? Like, what's next after you sell this house?
Probably moving to Indiana or back to the western suburbs.
Oh, you're far from Indiana.
No, 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 not that far.
It's not that far, right?
No.
Sorry, I'm new here in Illinois.
It's
I used
okay.
to live in Cincinnati,
Yeah.
back in Ohio. So I'm
Yeah,
still
the
learning
taxes are
that.
Yeah, taxes are cheaper, and it's about like maybe 5 miles from Indiana.
It's cheap. You have family there already. Like, where to go?
No, no family. I have some friends, and that's how I know that the cost of living is a lot cheaper.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
know everything is just getting expensive
expensive.
right there.
Yeah,
Forever, right?
yeah. And then also, a lot of investors are buying homes in this area. I think it's a plan, but the taxes are constantly going up, and so it's probably best to just not get too attached and move.
And what could you tell me about the house condition?
The condition of the house isn't bad. I've done some rehab. I just finished with the bathroom upstairs. The family room is remodeled, recessed lighting, in the wall speakers in the ceiling. I have hardwood floors. In the family room, I have not hardwood, but what do you call that other? The other flooring, the not vinyl, but what's the other one?
Yeah, I always ask because the more we know, it's easier for us to understand. Online you don't find any pictures up to date, so
Yeah.
any.
Also, yeah, even the exterior, new siding, new fascia, soffit and fascia, new garage door. I have an extension off of the garage, a deck, patio, and the grass is kept. Oh, and new windows.
Okay, man, I'm checking here to see what else I can find out. So your family's on board with you selling, your wife.
No, it's just me.
Okay. Would you need some time to relocate? Like,
Yes.
okay, how long would you need to relocate?
Probably 30 days.
So that's something that we can do. I mean, we
Okay.
can give you even time to leave after the holidays if that's really
Okay.
the goal.
Okay.
Like, we can put it on the contract and then we can take it from there.
Okay.
So look, I believe that if everything, like, I just like the sellers to be always so honest with me because it's gonna help us to move forward easier,
Yeah.
right?
Yes.
So, is there anything that you consider that if we want to put this house for rent, we need to know about the house, we need to repair?
No. Well, there's going to be some. I didn't finish the laundry room, but it's minor. It's not like major. I just put in a new water heater, so I blew out the wall, and I was just going to put plywood over it, just so it'd be easier to get in and get out.
Okay.
Yeah. So the furnace and the water heater is encased behind sort of like a wall. and I had to take the wall down in order to put the new water heater in, and that was done this year.
Okay, you did it already.
Yes.
So it would be mostly cosmetics, right?
Yes,
Nothing
cosmetic.
major. The
Nothing major.
roof, the roof.
No. Yeah, the roof is fine. Like I said, just put in the roof is within 10 years old, brand new. Soft fascia was done this year. Uh, the siding was done within 3 years.
Okay. It still has a warranty.
I believe so.
Okay. That would be important for us to know because that way we don't have to worry about having to put a new roof.
No. Yeah.
Okay. Still a chance. I mean, I'm looking at the numbers and I'm trying to see if there's something like I just wanted to know it's preliminary because we need to go see actually the house
Yes.
and
No, I
confirm
know.
everything you're telling me.
Yes.
But if we can make it around 80,000 and we pay the closing costs, no realtor fees, would that be something we can do?